Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another video. Today I was in some colorful fish and they are looking good activities. They are playing well. How can they play? Wow, they are calm in my hand and looking good. That's marvelous. This is exciting moment and this is exciting moment for me. Look, I hope this is the fantastic scenery. Wow, looking good, mashallah, playing well. They're playing well. Come to on my hand, taking feet, looking good, mashallah, mashallah. Wow, yes, the scenery is so beautiful, so beautiful. Looking like here I don't to describe this condition is so wonderful. This is the, I want to tame him it there come. Oh, this is so little water, so little water. One this is called lily pond. This is the lily pond, a little pond, a lily with the lily flower herb. This is the looking good. There, come on my hand. There are so little pond water here. There is this is looking good. There are right here. Marvelous. Wow, it's fantastic. Wonderful, just amazing that this is the moment. How can I describe this moment? Wow, this is the looking good, playing well. They are taking feet from this over the floor. They are taking feet. This is looking good, marvelous, excellent scenery. Scenery is so beautiful, lovely place, lovely scenery, lovely things are wonderful. Oh, this big one is taking feet with oxygen. Them come here. Oh, they come back from here. Oh, they again come here. Oh, this is looking good, marvelous, exciting moment. I hope you enjoy this video. See you next video, another place, another day. Take care. Allah Tata. Bye bye.